Good morning to everybody. Hi, Devakumar MC, Associate Professor and Botany, Veereshwar College, Ballari. The topic is that the Krebs cycle under the mechanism of the respiration. So far, we have discussed about the mechanism of the glycolysis. The end product of the glycolysis is the pyruvic acid. The further metabolism or the oxidation of the glycolysis pyruvic acid depends upon the availability of the atmospheric oxygen. Under the aerobic conditions, pyruvic acid, the terminal product of the glycolysis, can undergo decarboxylation and with coenzyme A forming acetyl coenzyme A. Acetyl coenzyme A is the connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. The cycle so named because of the cyclic manner in which the starting compound oxaloacetic acid is regenerated. The cycle is named after the English biochemist H.A. Krebs, who played a major role in its discovery. By means of the Krebs cycle and the electron transport system, pyruvic acid is oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. Thus, the complete oxidation of glucose to carbon dioxide and water may occur through the mediation of glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport system. Through its association with the electron transport system, the oxidation of the Krebs cycle can account for the formation of 24 ATP molecules. Thus, the Krebs cycle is far more efficient in the release of energy than either glycolysis or fermentation. The reactions of the Krebs cycle and the electron transport system require the presence of oxygen and are confined to the mitochondria. The first reactions of the Krebs cycle is the condensation of acetyl coenzyme A with oxaloacetic acid to form citric acid and release coenzyme A. The result of this reaction, catalyzed by the condensing enzyme, is that a 4-carbon dicarboxylic acid is converted into 6-carbon tricarboxylic acid. These first two reactions of the Krebs cycle are catalyzed by the same enzyme aconitase. One of the hydrases, citric acid, is first undergoes dehydration, producing cis-aconitic acid, which in turn produces isocitric acid by the reverse process of hydration accompanied by the rearrangement of atom groups. The enzyme aconitase requires the ferric as cofactors. In the presence of the enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase and NAD, isocitric acid is converted into oxalosuccinic acid. Thus, this is the first oxidation step of the Krebs cycle. 2 electrons and 2 hydrogen ions are removed from the isocitric acid and are taken up by the coenzyme NAD to form NADH2. The next reactions of the Krebs cycle involves the decarboxylation of the oxalosuccinic acid to form alpha-ketoglutarate acid. A carboxylase enzyme catalyzes this reaction. Alpha-ketoglutarate acid is a key compound in the metabolism of the plant. Not only it is involved in the carbohydrate and lipid metabolism, but it also plays an important role in the synthesis and the degradation of the amino acid. The oxidation of the alpha-ketoglutarate acid may be considered to analogous to that of pyruvic acid. Thiamine pyrophosphate is required for the initial decarboxylation, and the succinic semialdehyde form complexes with oxidized lipoic acid. The sectional moiety of this complex is transferred to coenzyme A, forming sectional coenzyme A and a reduced lipoic acid. This last reaction also represents the second oxidation step of the Krebs cycle. Thus, in the presence of the guanosine diphosphate and inorganic phosphate, sectional coenzyme A is converted into succinic acid and guanosine triphosphate is formed. The oxidation of the succinic acid to fumaric acid is interesting because it is the only Krebs cycle oxidation that does not involve a pyridonucleotide. Instead, succinic acid is oxidized by the ferriflavoprotein succinic dehydrogenase. The two hydrogen ions and two electrons are removed from the succinic acid and are used to reduce the FAD to FADH2. The oxidation of the succinic acid represents the third oxidation step of the Krebs cycle. The product of the reaction, fumaric acid, is hydrated in the presence of fumarase to yield malic acid. In the fourth oxidation step of the Krebs cycle, malic acid is converted into oxaloacetic acid in the presence of malic dehydrogenase. In the process, NAD is reduced to form NADH2. Thus, the regeneration of the oxaloacetic acid completes the cycle. In the four oxidation steps, 4 pairs of the hydrogen ions and 4 pairs of electrons are removed from the intermediates of the cycle. 3 of the pairs of the hydrogen ions and electrons are utilized in the reduction of pyridine nucleotides. The one remaining pair of the hydrogen ions and electrons is taken up in the reduction of the FAD prosthetic group of succinic dehydrogenase. Thank you.